Greetings. My name is Sheree Williams. Um, my group and I did our presentation on eating disorders. We will start with Layla Sheriff, who will talk about anorexia in her video, and she will also discuss the DSM-5 and give some background information in relation to anorexia. Next, we have Stephanie MacArthur, who will talk about binge eating, and she'll also discuss the DSM-5 criteria for binge eating and give background information. Then we'll have Cosette Termini, who will summarize an article about um, eating disorders and self-esteem. I myself am doing the introduction, and also I will incorporate a video about a person who experienced an eating disorder and how she overcame it. It's a wonderful video about her journey and her experiences with her eating disorder and how she overcame it. Very powerful video. We will also uh, touch on the diagnosis of it, the causes, eating disorder treatments, things of that nature, getting help. Um, all of this will be incorporated in our presentation. I hope you get lots from it. And I would like to, in my introduction, was just a little bit of background on eating disorder. I just want to talk about how it's an unspoken secret that many families face, and millions of Americans are affected by it. Over 90% of adolescents and young women are affected by eating disorders. It's rarely talked about, and 5% of the population of teenage girls are can be affected by this disorder. The National Institute of Mental Health uh, stated that it's during this time period of adolescence that women are more likely to diet and try extreme dieting, just trying to stay thin in general. Certain sports, gymnastics, cheer, or even careers such as modeling, they're especially prone for people to develop eating disorders, even if it means to purge their food or not eating at all. Um, and like I said, there are many different types of the eating disorders. We have anorexia, binge eating, bulimia, um, and hopefully this video will enlighten many and give lots of information and um, just make people more aware of this eating disorder, the symptoms, getting help, the diagnosis, causes, and all of that. So enjoy, and thank you for watching.